Water. Water is a major part of all living organism. So, half of the human body weight is because of water. Some plants have around 95% of its body is made up of water. So, water is an excellent solvent, that is why it is also called universal solvent. It is an excellent solvent for transportation of ions and molecules in plants and animals. Mainly water acts as a transporting agent inside the human body as well as in plant bodies. Physical properties of water. So, water is a colorless, tasteless liquid. It exists as a solid below 0 degree centigrade and as a gas above 100 degree centigrade. It has high freezing point, boiling point, heat of fusion as well as heat of vaporization. So, water possesses high freezing point as well as boiling point. It also having high heat of fusion as well as heat of vaporization. All these properties are only because of the presence of extensive hydrogen bonding in water molecule. The water molecules are associated by hydrogen bonding. Because of the hydrogen bonding only, it possesses high freezing point, boiling point as well as high heat of vaporization. Structure of water. Structure of water. Water molecule is a covalent in nature. It has 2 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom. Therefore, we are writing the formula H2O. In gaseous phase, it has a bent molecule with bond angle 104.5 degree and OH bond length is 95.7 pm. This is the structure of water in gaseous phase. It is a bent shape with bond angle 104.5 degree, as well as in water OH bond length is 95.7 pm. 95.7 pm. In water, each OH bond is, this OH bond is polar due to high electronegativity of oxygen atom. Because of the high electronegativity of oxygen atom, in water molecule each OH bond is polar in nature. The crystalline form of water is called ice. What is ice? Ice is the crystalline form of water. Because of the polar nature of OH bond, we studied the OH bond in water is polar in nature due to the high electronegativity of oxygen. Due to the polar nature, water molecules are associated by hydrogen bonding. That means, one water molecule is associated with the other water molecule through hydrogen bond. These two because of the high polarity of OH bond. Structure of ice. This is the structure of ice. Ice has ordered 3-dimensional hydrogen bonded structure. This structure is orderly arranged structure, 3-dimensional structure and also hydrogen bonded structure. So, structure which is bonded hydrogen, which is 2 water molecules are bonded by hydrogen bond. In this structure, if you see this structure, how can you draw this structure? So, put oxygen atom. In all the oxygen atom, 2 covalent bond. Here another one oxygen atom, put 2 covalent hydrogen. Here put another one oxygen atom, put 2 covalent. These 2 water molecules are associated by hydrogen bond. These 2 water molecules are associated by hydrogen bond. Again put 1 oxygen here, here 2 hydrogen bond, sorry 2 bond, covalent bond. this oxygen connect with this by using hydrogen bond. This dot line indicate hydrogen bond. Here put another one oxygen atom which having two covalent bond. This bold line indicate covalent bond. This water molecule associate this water molecule through hydrogen bond. Another one water molecule here. So, two covalently bonded hydrogen atom, this associated with this by using hydrogen bond, this associated with this by hydrogen bond. Like that you have to draw this three-dimensional structure of ice, three-dimensional structure of ice. In this three-dimensional structure, each oxygen atom is tetrahedrally surrounded by 1, 2, 3, 4 hydrogen atom. But this is the orderly arranged structure of ice. So, in this structure you can see lot of vacant spaces are there. So, ice having lot of vacant space. Because of this vacant space, the density of ice is lower than that of water. Because when ice melts, this hydrogen bond get broken. When ice melts, this hydrogen bond broken, and this water molecule enter inside this water molecule. That means, so one water molecule is here, this will connect with another one water molecule. This will connect with another one water molecule. Like this, one by one the water molecule get unite together. Therefore, the structure of ice is somewhat open than that of water, liquid water. Liquid water having some closed structure than the ice. Hence, the density of water is more than that of ice, or otherwise ice is lesser denser than that of water. Hence, ice floats on water. Why ice floats on water? Because the density of ice is lower than that of water. Why the density is lower? Because ice having open structure with a lot of vacant spaces. But in water, it is somewhat closed structure, and one water molecule get into the other water molecule. Hence, the density is more in the case of water than that of ice. Since ice is less denser, it floats on the water. This property of ice or water is more useful for aquatic life. It is more useful for aquatic life, because during the extreme cold condition, ice formed on the surface of water sources such as a river, ocean, etc. Since the ice floats inside, the aquatic life be safe. We will discuss something about chemical properties of water. So, chemical properties of water. First one, amphoteric nature. Amphoteric nature. So, we studied water is a neutral substance, but as per Lowry-Bronsted concept of acid and base, acid behave amphoterically. That means, it react with both acid as well as base. That means, autoprotolysis of water, that means self ionization of water. When we are adding water into water, what happens? When we are adding water into water, so it undergoes self ionization forming H3O plus plus OH minus. From here one H plus moves here and become acid. This is acid, this is base. So, water consists of both acid and base units. When water react with ammonia, ammonia is a well known base. When it is react with ammonia, we are getting OH minus plus NH4 plus. Similarly, water react with nitric acid, we are getting H3O plus plus NO3 minus. These reaction indicate the amphoteric nature of water. Water is amphoteric in nature. Hydrolysis reaction, due to its high dielectric constant, water has very strong hydrating tendency. Hydrating tendency means nothing but solvating power. Solvating power means it surrounds the molecule which get dissolved in it. For example, when P4O10 react with water, water get absorbed in it and convert it into phosphoric acid. This is called H3PO4 is called phosphoric acid. Similarly, SiCl4 when dissolved in water, we are getting SiO2 plus 4 HCl. That is all about the chemical properties of water.